Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we're going to make just a basic barbecue chicken with veggies. I have some carrots. I used a whole bag of the mini carrots. I like to cut them in three, just like that, because I want to make sure they're done when the potatoes get done. Okay, then we want to cube the potatoes like this. I just cut them in half. And by the way, this is 3 potatoes. You can use 3 to 4 potatoes. Okay, and this is how we want them cut, because we want to make sure they're going to get done. Okay, I found another piece in there that was not good. Okay, so grease you a pan and you just pour your veggies right in there. Okay, I'm gonna mix them up. And I did have some onion left over. I'm just gonna quarter that. And put them in the corners, because I gotta put my meat somewhere. Okay, and then this is what that looks like. Now we're gonna put our chicken in. Okay, these are chicken thighs, skinless and boneless. And we're just going to put them right on top of the veggies. I did try to cut as much of the fat off as I could. I'm just going to layer them in there. Then we are going to add your favorite barbecue sauce. Okay, I'm just going to use Kraft. Got it on sale. It's the original kind. I do love Sweet Baby Ray's though. Yummy. Use what you have. And put a generous amount. You don't have to put any liquid in the pan, because the chicken is going to make its own liquid, okay? This is looking good. I feel like this could use a little bit more right here. Okay, so this is good for right now. We're going to let this bake at 400 for 40 minutes. But halfway through, in 20 minutes, we are going to stir those vegetables around, and then we're going to add more barbecue sauce to the chicken, okay? Now, friends, this is a easy, simple recipe. It's one of those things you just throw that in there and let it bake, okay? Okay, I wanted to come back and let you know that I'm just going to cover it with some aluminum foil. I really do want those vegetables to get done. Sometimes I think, like, when I throw meals like this together, I don't know why I stress out about those vegetables being done. They're always done. Okay, friends, let's get this in our ovens. Okay, I have it out after 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and just stir, move those vegetables around. I'm not going to baby the chicken. I am just going to stir those vegetables. And yep, I always make a mess. So make sure you make a mess. Okay. I do want to put barbecue sauce on the back sides of these, because I feel like it needs it. So tell me, are you planning on putting barbecue on both sides? Do you feel it should be on both sides? Oh, this is smelling really good. I did not put any salt on those vegetables, but I know that we need to. Yeah, last thing I want to do is go banging that one around. I'll have barbecue sauce everywhere. Okay, I am going to just turn this back over and then put barbecue sauce on that also. Okay, move stuff around. Okay. And watch your cooking time, to be honest, because I know that everybody's stove is different. Everybody's appliances are different. They cook different. Now here we get another layer on the top. Because when I'm having barbecue chicken, that's what I want, barbecue chicken. I don't want it running off. I don't want it watery. I want that barbecue sauce sticking to the chicken, so I can call it barbecue chicken. Okay, here's my mitt. I'm just going to give it some shaking. Friends, I'm going to grab my salt shaker and let's salt those vegetables up. You can salt the chicken too. You know what? Let's do some pepper now. Perfect. All right. I am going to stick this back in the oven for 20 more minutes. And friends, let's do that with the lid off, with the cover off of the chicken. Okay, and here we are. I think I am going to turn this all over again and add some more barbecue sauce. All right. I cannot wait to eat this, especially the onions, because obviously that is my favorite part. Okay, then we're going to turn this over. And we're going to add it to the other side. We definitely want to make this look good, taste good. That's more important. Oh, look at that. Now we are done. Okay, friends. This looks really good. Oh! Okay. Yes. Perfect. All right. And you may have to cook it longer. I did have to cook it for an hour, by the way. just so you know. Okay. All right, the piece is too big. I have to put it down. I'm sorry. I'm going to be able to take a bite that is making sense. Okay. There, I could do that. Mmm. Yeah, that is really, really good. Okay, potatoes are done. Mmm. Very good. Okay. So, from having to stir it halfway, I want you to see, like, it's right here in the corner. See that corner right there? It's barbecue-y. So the vegetables are seasoned. I gotta make sure I get some of that onion. Okay. So the vegetables are seasoned. Everything is very well seasoned. Sorry, I'm just going to get me a little more. Seriously, it just really tastes good. And, you know, if you want to add some sour cream on top, that would be great. The chicken turned out fabulous. I'm actually going to have another piece. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Most of all, friends, keep cooking, and I love you all.